This movie is full of crude, tasteless, raunchy humor, and you know what? That's why I like it! Jackass presents Bad Grandpa, directed by Jeffrey Tremaine, starring Johnny Knoxville as Irving Zeisman, basically Johnny Knoxville in old man's makeup. And he's got this boy who plays his grandson, Jackson Nickel, as Billy. And the plot, even though it's really not important to the movie, is basically you got this grandpa who has just become a widower, and his daughter has left him his son to take care of, and she gets herself in trouble and ends up in jail. And I don't want to say how she gets herself in trouble because that's a spoiler to the movie, and which is very funny, and it's not shown in the trailer, and I really found it to be pretty funny anyway. And basically he's stuck dragging this kid around to North Carolina to his deadbeat dad, and he's got to take care of him. And the movie is hilarious. If you like tasteless shock jock humor, you are going to love this movie. If you're a fan of Jackass series, you're going to love this movie. I am not a fan of the Jackass series. I really am not a fan of Johnny Knoxville. I think his stunts are stupid, but I decided to give this movie a chance to see if it would make me laugh, and I thought the trailer was pretty funny, and it is actually a very funny movie. If you know what you're getting into, if you know that it is going to be tasteless, it is going to be shock jock kind of humor, and it's basically a Jackass version of Candid Camera, basically, then you're going to love this movie. If you're into tasteful comedy and you don't like shock jock kind of humor, don't like raunchy humor, then you're not going to like this movie, and it's certainly not for you. So I really did like this movie. Johnny Knoxville is hilarious in this movie. Billy is very funny as well. They have wonderful chemistry. They do a wonderful job by themselves as well. I mean, the kid is very talented, very good at improv humor as well as scripted humor. Irving is very good at improv humor and scripted humor as well, and he's skilled at it, so he knows how to do it. But Billy, surprisingly, even though he probably hasn't acted that much, I don't know his resume, but he's very, very funny, very well talented. Comedy is very funny, and is most of the jokes in the trailer. Yes, about half of the jokes are in the trailer. There is a good portion of the comedy that is not in the trailer, which I really did like. I really liked the fact that there was a lot of jokes that were not in trailers, but I didn't like the fact that a lot of the jokes were spoiled in the trailer because I knew the punchline before going in. The question was, how was the joke going to get set up? And I did like the way the joke was set up. It did do a good job making my mouth water for the punchline, even though I knew what the punchline was coming. I really did like it, and I really did like how the reactions were looking on everybody's faces that were not in on the joke, and just how funny it was. Some of the jokes are not funny. I will agree on that. And I'm not going to say which ones are not funny. I'm going to let that be up to you as to what you think is not funny and what you think is funny, but I really did like this movie. I'm going to give this movie an 8.5. It really is a good movie. I definitely think people should at least give it a chance if you like this type of humor. There is a lot of jokes after the credits as well, a lot of outtakes, so definitely stay after the credits and check those out as well. So yeah, definitely check out Bad Grandpa.